Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you what I made from the Sam's Bead box for November 2021 Sedona Sunrise. I will admit that I did use some pieces from the November 2021 bead box. I did make a video, but I'm not really happy with it because I got confused. They don't put the names on all of the beads, and so I ended up with a package left and I was totally confused. I was laughing at myself. So I might still put it up just for a good laugh, but I did make a video, but I didn't post it yet. I'm still questioning that. And I did use just a few beads from the Bargain Bead Box Harvest End, but this, I would say this is 95% Sam's Bead Box. So let me show you what I made. First up, I'm going to show you my favorite piece, and I wasn't sure what I was going to do with this, and I love the way this turned out. This is that Tiara Cast Sun and Moon pendant. Let me get it. So this is what I made of it. I love the way this turned out. So it turned into a necklace. These are some of the ones from the November Dollar Tree bead box. And here's those tiger's eye from the, what do you call it? The Bargain Bead Box. But other than that, it's all the other stuff. I love the way that turned out. I wasn't sure, it was like I wanted to make a focal on a necklace, and I wanted to put both of these on, and I didn't know which one to use, so I'm like, I'm gonna try this out and see if it works. So I just took the beading wire, and then I went in between there, and then I crisscrossed it in there and then went up. And I made this necklace so that it can be worn either with the moon or with the sun. So I love the way this turned out. So I have this, I'll put it kind of up like this so you can see it. And I just put a lobster clasp on the end. And then I made 2 pairs of earrings to go with it. And I did use some of my copper chain. Let me get this. For some reason, I was kind of in a chain mood that day. It was kind of funny. So these are my earrings that I made to go with it. I used copper ear wire, and then these are from Auntie's beads, these little flowers, I think. I'm not sure. I have so many beads in I have millions of beads. I'm an official bead addict. So I pull out things sometimes and I don't know where I got them from, so it's really hard for me to tell you. But yes, so that's one pair of earrings that I made. And then here's the other one. These are so pretty. Oh, let me see. Let me get this right. Okay. 1 and 2. Okay. Oh. And then here's the other pair that I made. And I had these copper oblong shapes I got from somewhere else, I can't remember, but I just did that, and then I put these beautiful checklist beads on the bottom. I will take pictures of them and put them up at the end of the video so you can see everything. So here's, let me put them down here, move these over, move this over a little bit, kind of see. And these copper daggers, if you get the Bargain Bead Box, I'm sure you'll notice these are from them. I'm not sure how far back. I have so many beads, I don't remember when they came out. So I have those. Then I have these, the flowers. They don't lay right, but they do hang right. So when you see the pictures of them at the end, you'll be able to see them better. So I have all this, and then I made a bracelet to match. Made a 3-wrap bracelet. So I used, and of course I love mixing metals. Most of my stuff is mixed metal. So I added my own, here's where the fire polish beads from the Dollar Bead Box are from but the rest of it is, let me see there. Yeah, the rest of it is Sam's bead box. So it's just, I loved it. Almost has like a little bit of a southwestern flair. You know, you can see the Sedona Sunrise. You can see that in there. So here's all my stuff so far. So this is the one set. I think I'm gonna put it up on Etsy separately, and then have a link saying if you would like a pair of earrings to go with it, you know, click on this link. I think that's the best way to do it, because sometimes people just want the necklace, or they just want the earrings or the bracelet, etc., and they don't want the whole set. And that way they have a couple different pairs of earrings to choose from. So, okay, here's, put this one away. Okay, now here's another one. This I did take, I think there's a few more pieces from the dollar bead box. Hold on 1 second. Let me get this. Oh. So for this one, I did this. You can see the whole thing. Kind of bring it up like that. I loved these. These came from the dollar bead box. These came from the dollar bead box. The white sea beads were from my own stash. These are from Sam's bead box. And the pinch beads from Sam's bead box. The metallic blues from my own. And then these were from the November dollar bead box. The silver ones. But I love, this was just like, it's kind of like a flower. Kind of reminds me of like a flower. So I have that. And then I made, let me get them in the right position. Then I made these little earrings. Let me get them right, because I have them. Let's see there. So yeah, I thought this turned out really cute. This almost kind of is more like a summer flare to me. It's not so much winter. This blue, I know some people, I've only been to Arizona once, but they say that the sky can turn this color blue. I've never actually seen it, so, but I'll take their word for it. I'm a Florida girl, so I'm not really sure about that, but yeah, so this is, I love the way this turned out. So I got this, put this down. Then these other ones, I love the way these turned out. Let me get these. So this was the bracelet. Of course, I went to memory wire again because I love memory wire. Let me see if I can. So here is and I did use some gold hematite in here. I love the way this turned out. Of course, I love making my own little charms. And these are from Sam's bead box from last month, actually. I still have a few little pieces, so I like to. This one's a little double charm here with the flower. I think that's Auntie's bead box. Can't quote me on that. And like these little ones are from my own stash. To put it on and show you. So So, and I love doing the seed beads. I love doing those little patterns in here. And here is, you can see that, little charms. An impression jasper. And those are my copper. No, those are antique brass. Sorry about that. So I think this turned out really pretty. And then there's a pair of earrings. Now again, they don't lay as well as when they're hanging, but I did these little earrings to match. Let me put them between my fingers, see if I can get them to lay better. Yeah, when they're hanging on, the flower hangs. The flower hangs flat when they're, I can't get it to, that's how they look when they're hanging. So yeah, so I have these. So this is my thing for that. Then I have one more thing I made from it. Put this back over here. Then this I could say would be more summery. I got summer feeling from these beads. So this is the one I made. Now you can, these are from the bargain bead box. What's happening to my lighting here? So yeah. So of course I cannot stick with one box. I'm really bad about that. I love combining everything. So these this is hematite silver and that's hematite gold. And I just connected it all together. Love the way this, and I love the bright blue on this. This kind of reminds me of ocean. This, you know, and then this is the impression jasper. This kind of reminds me of a beach day. But it'll always be there for summer. So, yes, so I was really happy the way this turned out too. And I did the little double one there. I love dangles on my bracelets. Yeah, I think this turned out really pretty. I think that was it. I do have some beads left still that I didn't, I did use a bit of the peach moonstone in the other one, and I still have the Czech glass freeform nuggets, the Arizona poppy. I'm sure they'll turn up in something. And I did not use any of these yet, the Czech glass diamond. But everything else I dug into. So I thought this box was beautiful. And I probably will put up the November dollar bead box. And don't laugh at me when I get confused on the things. We're all human. We all make mistakes. So, yeah. So I think that's it for this. And thank you for tuning into my channel. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up video so I know you like it. Even though you don't realize it, but when you hit that thumbs up, it helps the algorithms with my channel. So if you could do that, I would really appreciate it. And then subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And also you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram. The links are below, so just click on them to take you there. I also have an Etsy store. Link below if you'd like to follow me on there. Just click on that. So thanks again, and see you soon on my next video, and have a great day. Bye.